सर सर आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा।
Okay.
हेलो।
Now it is clear.
हाँ सर।
It is going like this. Here it is positive, here it is negative, here it is positive, here it is negative. So we want positive. Positive means we can consider from 3 to infinity. 3 is possible. Or we can consider from minus 1 to 2. But 2 is not possible. We have to put open interval there. But minus 1 is no issue. We can put closed interval. इन दोनों का यूनियन आएगा. So minus 1 to 2, minus 1 closed interval, 2 open interval union, 3 to infinity. Option D is the correct one. Then question number 5. What is the greatest value of the function? Okay. Greatest value we have to calculate. Two plus two. ये 12th का है, ये 11th का है. Okay. 2 plus domain between x square, f of x the whole square. Okay. So here what we can do, first of all, what is its domain? 2 minus x should be greater than or equal to 0. That means 2 is greater than or equal to x. So here x, the value of x belongs to 2 to infinity. When you take 2 plus x is greater than or equal to 0, 2 is greater than or equal to, और उल्टा भी लिख सकते हैं, x is greater than or equal to minus 2. So it will become x belongs to minus 2 to plus infinity. Okay. Minus 2 say plus infinity. Okay. 2x is less than 2. So here we have to, okay. X less than 2 means x belongs to minus infinity to plus 2. Here it is minus 2 to plus infinity. So when you take the common area between these two, the domain of the function become from minus 2 to plus 2. This is the domain of the function. So what is the greatest value? So what is f of x is equal to under root of 2 minus x plus under root of 2 plus x. But 2 minus x, 2 plus x, 2, 4 minus x square. Okay. If you take the square of this one, it will become 2 minus x plus 2 plus x plus 2 into 2 minus x into 2 plus x. X cancel 2 plus 2 4 plus 2 into under root of 4 minus x square. Okay. So if you take the square of this one, we are getting like this. This is f of x the whole square. So f of x, I can write it as under root of 4 plus 2 into under root of 4 minus x square. The value of x is between minus 2 to plus 2. So what x square will be always between x belongs to 0 to plus 4. X is between minus 2 to plus 2 means x square will be from 0 to plus 4 only. So what is the, if you want to get the maximum value of the function, x should be minimum. X is minimum means x square ka minimum value is 0. So I can write 4 plus 2 into root of 4. Root of 4 is 2. So 4 plus 2 into 2. 4 for 2 into 2, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. So option A is the correct answer. इधर क्या किया? First we calculated the domain. Domain we got from minus 2 to plus 2. And f of x, if you are taking square of f of x, you are getting in this format. So f of x square is getting 4 plus 2 into under root of 4 minus x square. So f of x can be taken as under root of 4 plus 2 into under root of 4 minus x square. If you want the minimum value, you have to put x square maximum. And if you want to get maximum value, we have to put x square minimum. So what is the minimum value of x square? It is 0 and the maximum value is 4. So in order to get the minimum value, put x square equal to 0. So it will become root 8. So the greatest value of the function is root 8. The next question. Two finite set have m and n elements. The number of elements in the power set of the first is, that means power set, number of elements in the power set of A will be 2 raised to m. Number of elements in the power set of B will be 2 raised to n. A number of elements of power set of the first is 48 more than the total number of the elements in the power set of the second. That means 2 raised to m is equal to 2 raised to n plus 48. 2 raised to m equal to 2 raised to 48. Okay. So you can take the options m equal to 3 and m equal to 7, n equal to 7. If you put that 2 raised to 3, that cannot be possible because m should be greater than n. So option A you can cut. Then if you put m equal to 7 and n equal to 6, 2 raised to 7 is equal to 2 raised to 6 plus 48. Whether it is possible, 2 raised to 5, 6, 7. It will become
Sir,
120.
option C. Option C.
Option C आएगा. So this is 64 plus 48. So ये भी नहीं चलेगा. So you can select for option C. That is the correct answer. M equal to 6 and N equal to 4. So 2 raised to 6 is equal to 2 raised to 4 plus 48. 2 raised to 6 कितना है 64. 2 raised to 4 कितना है 16 plus 48. So this is satisfying. Therefore, the option is C. Then question number 7. If the function f of x is equal to a raised to x plus a raised to minus x by 2, where a greater than 2, then f of x plus y, f of x minus y equal to. F of x plus y plus f of x minus y. So f of x plus y plus f of x minus y, you can write it as a raised to x plus y plus a raised to minus x plus y by 2 plus a raised to x minus y plus a raised to minus of x minus y divided by 2. If you add, okay, a raised to c, okay, a raised to x plus y plus a raised to minus x minus y plus a raised to x minus y plus a raised to minus x plus y divided by 2. Okay. Okay. You multiply this one. F of a raised to x. A raised to x. A raised to x plus y. A raised to minus x plus y. That means if you multiply f of x and f of y, for example, if you multiply f of x into f of y, we will be able to write like this: a raised to x plus a raised to minus x into a raised to y plus a raised to minus y by 2. So by into 2, it will become a raised to, फिर भी एक 4 आएगा. Okay. A raised to x plus y plus a raised to x minus y plus a raised to minus x plus y plus a raised to minus x minus y divided by 2 into 2. So if you multiply with a 2 in the numerator, so this 2 and 2 can cut. So you will be able to get this answer. That means correct option is option C. Then question number 8. Geometric mean is actually the root of AB. If two numbers are A and B, the geometric mean is root of AB. So you can write root of 0.15 into 0.0015. So 15 into 15 is 225. So it will become 15 out. How many decimal? 2, 2 to 4, 3. So it is actually 10 raised to minus 6. 2 plus 2. So it will become 10 raised to minus 3 out. So 15 into 10 raised to minus 3 become 0.015. So option C is the correct answer. Question number 9. Log x, a raised to x and log b are in GP. Then what is x is equal to? GP है तो consecutive terms का ratio equal है. So you can write question number 9. A raised to x divided by log a to the base x is same as, only 3 terms are there. Okay, only 3 terms are there. So we will write like this. B score is equal to AC So a raised to x ka square is equal to log x to the base b into log a to the base x. So a raised to x the whole square is equal to, by using the property of logarithm, this can be written as log a to the base b. Log a to the base b. Now if you apply log on both sides, I can write 2 log a raised to x is equal to log of log a to the base b. Then I can write 2x log a is equal to log of log a to the base b. So x become log of log a to the base b divided by 2 log a. So by using the property of logarithm, I can write this is equal by base changing rule log of log a to the base b to the base a divided by 2. Log of a to the base b to the base a by 2. So option A, GP should be answer. It should be answer A. Option A is the correct one. A raised to x the whole score is equal, B score is equal to AC. If 3 terms are in AP, GP, then I can write B score is equal to AC. So middle term ka square is equal to side wala term. So log a to the base b, and if you apply log on both sides, so this can be written as a raised to 2x equal to log a to the base b. So 2x log a equal to log of log a to the base b. So x can be written as log of log a to the base b divided by 2 log a. By using base changing rule, I can write. So option A is the correct one. Question number 10. These are in GP. So I can write 2 raised to b by AC ka square is equal to 2 raised to 1 by a into 2 raised to 1 by c. So I can write 2 raised to 2b by AC equal to 2 raised to a plus c by AC. A plus c by AC. Since both base are same, I can equate 2b by AC is equal to a plus c by AC. So 2b by AC is equal to a plus c by AC, AC cut. So 2b equal to a plus c. So I can say that A, B, C are in AP. So option A is the correct answer. Question number 11. PQRS in AP such that P plus S is equal to 8 and QR equal to 15. What is the difference between the largest and smallest numbers? Okay. Largest and smallest number का difference चाहिए. So S minus P चाहिए. If you assume PQRS as if 4 terms are in AP, then A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D you can consider. So P plus S when you add, you are getting A minus 3D and A plus 3D. If you add, you are getting equal to 8. So 3D, 3D get cancelled. You are getting 2A equal to 8, A equal to 8 by 2, 4. Then QR equal to 15. That means A minus D into A plus D equal to 15 means A square minus D square is equal to 15. So A square minus 15 equal to D square. A square is 4 square 16 minus 15 equal to D square. 16 minus 15 equal to 1. So D can be plus or minus 1. D can be plus or minus 1. So I can write सबसे बड़ा number P or S आएगा. So if you put D equal to 1, I can write P is equal to A minus 3D means 4 minus 3. That is 1. S become 4 plus 3. That become 4 plus 3, 7. इन दोनों का difference क्या है? 7 minus 1, 6 आएगा. So option 4 minus 3, 1. 4 plus 3, 7. So 60 is equal to 6 आना चाहिए. क्या हुआ? क्या mistake हो गया? A plus 3D. 6. Difference is 6 only. So answer is, so option is C. Okay. Question number 9. Okay. C answer. Question number 12. The sum of all two-digit number which is divisible by 3. The sum of all two-digit number which is divisible by 3 means we have to start from 12. 12 to 99. These are the two-digit number which are divisible by 3. Starting from 12 to up to 99. So we have to find out n, the value of n. So 100 divided by 3 become 33. So there are 33 numbers, out of which we have to avoid 3, 6, 9. So remaining 13 will be there. So n equal to 30. Sum of the term is n by 2 into first term plus last term. So n by 2 is 30 by 2. 30 by 2 into first term is 12 and last term is 99. 30 by 2 is 15. 99 plus 12 कितना आएगा? 99, 109, 111. So 15. 1665. Option C is the correct answer. Question number 13. What is the argument of the complex number? Argument we have to calculate. That means 1 minus iota root 3 divided by 1 plus iota root 3. The numerator complex number is in fourth quadrant. इसका एंगल क्या आएगा? -60 डिग्री है. Denominator is actually in the first quadrant. उसका आर्गुमेंट क्या आएगा? 60 डिग्री है. When you divide two complex number, the argument gets subtracted. So -60 आएगा. So -120. -120 basically क्या है? They are not asking for you the principal argument. -120 is actually logically equivalent to plus 240. So answer क्या आएगा? D option आएगा. Option D. If they ask you principal argument, you have to write -120. So 240 is the correct answer. Question number 14. Geometrically, imagine the part of z square plus 3 iota equal to 1, where Im is imaginary part, represent. Okay. Geometry, imaginary part of z square plus 3 iota equal to. Okay. If you consider z is equal to x plus iota y, z square क्या आएगा? x square minus y square plus 2xy iota. So z square plus 3 iota क्या आएगा? x square minus y square plus 2xy plus 3 iota. So imaginary part of this one is, we can write 2xy plus 3 only. इसका वैल्यू उन्होंने क्या दिया है? 1. That means 2xy equal to 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 is minus 2xy equal to minus 1. So xy equal to minus 1 means it cannot be ellipse, it cannot be circle. We cannot say that it is a reciprocal function. It is actually a rectangular hyperbola. So answer B is the correct option. Rectangular hyperbola. Okay, xy equal to minus 1. Okay, xy equal to c square. Okay. Then question number 15. What is the value of square root of 12 plus 5 iota, 12 minus 5 iota? Okay. Root of 12 plus 5 iota. Plus into plus side. Okay. इसको क्या करेगा? Z is equal to 12 plus 5 iota equal to x plus iota y. इसको a equal to under root of x square plus y square plus x by 2. So क्या आएगा? 12 का स्क्वायर 144 प्लस 25, 5 का स्क्वायर 25 169, उसका रूट 13 आएगा, 13 प्लस 12 divided by 2. So it will become a equal to root of 13 plus 12 is 25, 25 का रूट 5 आएगा, so 5 by root 2. A equal to 5 by root 2. But if you, this is A, this is A plus iota B. The difference between these two will be, वन का बी वैल्यू प्लस आएगा तो दूसरा का बी वैल्यू नेगेटिव आएगा. दोनों रूट ऐड किया तो क्या आएगा? वो इमेजिनरी पार्ट कट हो जाएगा, रियल पार्ट ऐड हो जाएगा. सो रियल पार्ट में क्या है? a इक्वल टू 5 by root 2 है. इफ यू कैलकुलेट दी स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ दिस ऑल्सो, यू विल बी गेटिंग a 5 by root 2. इमेजिनरी कट हो जाएगा. सो ये दोनों ऐड किया तो क्या आएगा? 2 times 5 by root 2 आएगा. सो here you can cut this 2 and under root, so you are getting 5 root 2. So answer will be 5 root 2. Plus or minus. Question number 16. Mod of z minus 4 by z equal to 2. Then the maximum value of z is equal to. Okay. So here you can use a SATA. Z plus or minus b by z is equal to a. The maximum value is a plus under root of a square plus 4b by 2. And minimum value of is minus a plus under root of a square 4 plus 4b by 2. So when you compare with our question, mod of z minus 4 by z equal to 2 means a equal to 2 आएगा, b equal to 4 आएगा. So इधर हमको क्या चाहिए? Maximum value चाहिए. So you can put here a become 2. 2 plus under root of a square is 4 plus 4 into b is 4 divided by 2. So 2 plus 4 into 4, 16 plus 4, 20. Root 20 by 2. Root 20 is 2 root 5. So 2 plus 2 root 5 by 2. This 2 get cancelled. So 1 plus root 5 will be the maximum value. 1 plus root 5. So option B is the correct answer. Question number 17. If c greater than 0, 4a plus c less than 2b, then ax square minus bx plus c equal to has a root in which one of the following intervals. Okay. So we have to consider the real roots. Okay. Okay. Which one is ax square minus bx plus c equals 0 as a root in which. Okay. If I put x is equal to 0, I can get a into 0 minus b into 0 plus c equal to 0. Okay. Not equal to 0. If I put x is equal to 0, a into 0 minus b into 0 plus c, this value is equal to c. Since it is c is greater than 0, it is 0. When you consider x is equal to 2, it will become 4a minus 2b plus c. Then it is given that 4a plus c is less than 2b. That means 4a minus 2b plus c is less than 0. 4a minus 2b plus c less than 0. That means when you put x is equal to 2, 4a minus 2b plus c is getting less than 0. That means when you put x is equal to 0, you are getting a value greater than 0. When you put x is equal to 2, you are getting a value less than 0. We know that if you want to get a root means if you put that value into the equation, the value of the equation becomes 0. The value of the equation becomes 0. Before and after that, there is a transition from plus to minus. For example, when you consider a quadratic equation, these are the two roots. At this point, equation becomes 0. Here also equation becomes 0. After that, it is positive. Before that, function is negative. Or here, after is minus, before is plus. That means if you want to say that in between there is a root, there should be a transition from positive to negative or negative to positive. So when you consider this case, if you apply the option B, you will be able to see that f of 0 is greater than 0, f of 2 is less than 0. That means there is a transition from positive to negative or negative to positive. If you want to get a transition from positive to negative or negative to positive, there should be a crossing point where the value should be equal to 0. Therefore, option B is the correct option. In this interval, you will be able to get a value where the value of the function becomes 0. That means each interval का end points equation में डाल के आपका इसका value calculate करना है, whether it is positive or negative. Both are positive, there will not be any root. Both are negative, there will not be any root. But if there is a transition from positive to negative or negative to positive, there will be a point where the equation becomes 0. That can be considered as the roots of the equation. Therefore, option B is the matching option. Question number 18. P not equal to Q, P square is equal to 5P minus 3, Q square is equal to 5Q minus 3. The equation having roots P by Q and PQ by P is. That means x square minus P by Q plus Q by P into x plus P by Q into Q by P equal to 0. This should be the equation. X square minus sum of roots into x plus product of root equal to 0. So if you solve for this P get cancelled. So x square P square plus Q square by PQ into x plus 1 equal to 0. So from the question, what is P square plus Q square? P square plus Q square is equal to 5 into P plus Q minus 6. Okay. P square plus Q square. We should have the value of PQ also. P plus Q minus किया तो what we can write? P square minus Q square become 5 into P minus Q. And P minus Q the whole square can be written as P plus Q into P minus Q. P plus Q into P minus Q. So 5 into P minus Q. But it is given that P cannot be equal to Q. So we can cut this P minus Q and this P minus Q. So I can write P plus Q is equal to 5. P plus Q equal to 5. P plus Q equal to 5, I can write 5 into 5 minus 6. 5 into 5, 25 minus 6 is 19. So P square plus Q square, I can write it as, okay, P plus Q equal to 5. फिर भी PQ का वैल्यू चाहिए. Okay, 19. So x square minus 19x divided by pq plus 1 equal to 0. Okay. P plus q 5. Then pq. By 3. Okay. Pq equal p plus q equal to 3 means so p square. So pq into x square minus प्लस माइनस प्लस आना चाहिए प्लस माइनस. सो ये पक्का नहीं आएगा. ये भी पक्का नहीं आएगा. प्लस माइनस प्लस आना चाहिए. दैट मीन्स प्लस माइनस माइनस है तो ये भी नहीं आएगा. ऑप्शन ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर. बट पी क्यू का वैल्यू चाहिए. पी क्यू का वैल्यू. पी क्यू का वैल्यू पॉजिटिव है तो ये सब पॉजिटिव आएगा. प्लस माइनस प्लस आएगा. पी क्यू का वैल्यू नेगेटिव है तो नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव आएगा. सो ऑप्शन देखा तो डी ऑप्शन में प्लस 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 है. देन पी क्यू का वैल्यू 1 है तो इधर 1 आएगा. इफ पी क्यू का वैल्यू 3 है तो इधर 3 आना चाहिए. सो इधर पी क्यू का वैल्यू 1 है तो कांस्टेंट भी 1 चाहिए. पार्ट भी 1 चाहिए. And variable of the x coefficient of x course also should be 1. That is also not matching with the option B. Option C is not getting this in this format. So only the option A is matching with our format. But PQ how to calculate? P plus Q. P square Q square. Okay. If you multiply this one, we will see. P square Q square become 5P minus 3 into 5Q minus 3. It will become 25 into PQ minus 15P minus 15Q plus 9. So P square Q square. So P square Q square equal to 25 PQ minus 5 into minus 15 into P plus Q plus 9. P plus Q is already 5. So we can write P square Q square equal to 25 PQ. 15 into 5 is 75. 75 plus 9. So it will become P square Q square minus 25 PQ. 65. 66. So it will become plus 66. Okay. If you put PQ equal to T, T square minus 25T plus 66. Okay. Hmm. मैं कुछ प्रॉब्लम है. Why we are not getting this? So you are getting the value of PQ equal to 3. You can consider this. If you multiply this one, you will be able to get a quadratic equation. From that, we are getting P square Q square. That means PQ can be considered as T. By using the quadratic formula, you will be able to calculate the value of T. That is 22. That is practically not possible. बिकॉज दोनों ऐड किया तो +5 मिलेगा, मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 22 नहीं आएगा बिल्कुल. सो ओनली ऑप्शन क्या है? 3 है. सो वी कैन कंसिडर PQ इक्वल टू 3. सो इन आवर इक्वेशन इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस PQ, इफ यू पुट 3, you can multiply all the terms with 3. So I will be able to get 3x square minus 19x plus 3 equal to 0. So option A is the correct option. Question number 19. A quadratic equation is given by where A, B, C are real. Okay. If K equal to C, then the roots of the equation are. If K equal to C. So A plus B, इसके साथ सेकंड कोएफिशिएंट क्या है? -A, -B, -C. थर्ड कोएफिशिएंट क्या है? K equal to C. If you add the coefficient, all the three coefficient, you will be able to see that all are getting, if you add three of them getting 0. So by using the SATA, one of the root will be 1 and the other root will be C by A. इधर C के जगह पे कौन है? C है. A के जगह पे A plus B है. The roots will be 1 and C by A plus B. So option 19A is the correct answer. If the sum of the coefficient is equal to 0, then one of the root is 1 and the other root is C by A. C के जगह पे इधर C है, A के जगह पे A plus B है. So roots will be 1 and C by A plus B. Then question number 20. What is the solution of x less than or equal to 4, y greater than or equal to 0, and x less than or equal to -4, and y is greater less than or equal to 0? X less than 4, x is equal to 4, ये पोर्शन आएगा. y greater than or equal to 0 means this is y equal to 0, ये पोर्शन आएगा, ये पोर्शन. x should be less than -4. Okay, for this case we are getting this part. The second case, x less than -4. X less than -4 means this is -4 and we will be able to see this is the solution. And y less than 0 means this is y equal to 0. Y less than 0 means this is the area. So common area is this only. Okay. ओके, ऐसा कर सकते हैं. ऐसा नहीं है, ऐसा करो. x लेस देन 4. फिर भी x less than 4. Okay, I have to, okay. X less than 4 means this area. X less than -4 means this area. So common area is x less than -4 only. X less than -4. So option B is the correct answer. Y less than 0, y greater than 0. Y less than or equal to 0 and greater than or equal to 0 means only possibility is this line only. This is the common portion between y greater than 0 and y less than 0. So this is y equal to 0. So when you combine, consider the two cases x less than 4. This is x less than or equal to 4 means this area. X less than or equal to minus 4 means this area. The common area is x less than minus 4 only. And similarly, when you consider y greater than 0 means this and y less than 0 means this one. So only common area become only this line. This is the only common between y greater than or equal to 0 and y less than or equal to 0. So y equal to 0 is the solution and x is equal to x is less than or equal to minus 4 is the solution. So 20 answer B is the correct one. Question number 21. There are 6 periods on each working day of a school. In how many ways can one arrange 5 subjects such that each subject is allowed at least one period? Okay. Okay. 6B5. At least one period. Okay. 6 periods. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From this, 5 periods can be selected and given to 6 में से 5 select करो, then give to, okay. So this one subject gets 2 periods. So which subject? Okay. So this is not. Hmm. वो भी आएगा ये भी आएगा. Okay. There are 6 periods on each working day of a school. In how many ways can one arrange 5 subjects such that each subject is allowed at least one period? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So one subject will be getting 2 period. So any of the 5 subjects can be taken so that you can provide 2 period for that. So that can be selected in 5C1 ways. 5C1 ways. And out of the 6 periods, any 2 period can be taken for this particular subject. That is 6C2 ways. So you have to select one subject from out of 5 that can be given 2 periods. So that is 5C1 and it can be arranged in any of the 2 periods. So from this 6 you can select 2. So we have arranged 2 periods. So remaining 4 periods to be arranged and there are 4 subjects also that can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. 4 factorial ways. So 5 into 6 C2 become 6 into 5 divided by 2 into 4 factorial is 24. So 112. So 6 into 5 into 5, 25. 6, 150 into 12. 15 into 12 is 180. Answer is 1800. That is the correct answer. Option B. You can select because there are 6 periods. So 5 subjects are there. So one extra period is there that can be given to any one of the subjects that can be selected in 5C1 ways. And after that, the subject can be put in any of the 2 periods from the total 6 periods that can be done in 6C2 ways. Okay. Selection. But इधर arrangement भी आएगा. Okay. 6C2. So arrange here. Yeah, 1 minute. 5C1. एक arrangement possible है. Okay, correct. बोलो.
पीरियड तो चालू है तो 5 सब्जेक्ट अरेंज करने में 6 पीरियड्स रहते हैं एक दिन में
हाँ.
तो 5 सब्जेक्ट में हम 5 स्पेसेस बना सकते हैं
हाँ.
तो इसके फर्स्ट सब्जेक्ट के लिए 6 पीरियड 6 में से किसको दिया फिर इसके लिए 5 फिर इसके लिए 4 3 2 स्टेप हो जाए तो कुछ करते हैं
6 periods है ना.
हाँ और 5 सब्जेक्ट के अरेंज करने हैं ना 5 स्पेसेस बनाने फिर इसके
इधर 6 possibility है. इधर 5 possibility है. इधर 4 possibility, 3 possibility, 2 1 2 3 4 5 है ना. एक एक्स्ट्रा पीरियड है ना. 6 पीरियड है ना.
एक्स्ट्रा
इसको सारा वो एक सब्जेक्ट को इधर आ सकते हैं.
6 में से कोई भी एक सब्जेक्ट आपका
कोई भी मतलब
5
हाँ, हर एक को पॉसिबिलिटी है. 2 मैथ्स डाल सकते हैं, 2 फिजिक्स डाल सकते हैं, 2 केमिस्ट्री, 2 सोशल स्टडीज, ऐसा कुछ डाल सकते हैं. हर एक
तो
को
यहाँ पे जो एक पीरियड है उसके लिए 5 में से कोई भी एक सब्जेक्ट आ सकता है ना
हाँ उधर 5 ऑप्शन है.
तो यहाँ पे 5 लिख के फिर मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5 नहीं हो सकती है फिर
हम्म,
वापस 5 मल्टीप्लाई नहीं
हम्म, ऐसा मल्टीप्लाई किया तो क्या आएगा. 3600 आएगा ना. ये थोड़ा चेक करना है.
यहाँ पे 6 पीरियड 6 स्पेसेस फिर यहाँ पे 5 में से कोई भी एक सब्जेक्ट यहाँ पे 4 ऑप्शन यहाँ पे 3 यहाँ पे 2 और यहाँ पे 1 आखिर में रह गया तो 5 फिर वापस 5 फैक्टोरियल इनटू 5 हो जाएगा 1.5 0 इनटू
थोड़ा देखना पड़ेगा. One minute. ठीक है. तो- तो हो गया. तो आपने किया सही है, बट एक पीरियड 2 बार रिपीट किया ना, फिजिक्स 2 बार ऐड किया था ना, सो उसका नंबर ऑफ रिपीटेशन 2 है ना, तो 2 फैक्टोरियल यूज करके डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा, सही है ना। परम्यूटेशन का रेपिटेशन का कॉन्सेप्ट उधर अप्लाई करना है। सो 3600 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 फैक्टोरियल आएगा, तो एक अरेंजमेंट में 2 फिजिक्स पीरियड आया तो बाई 2 फैक्टोरियल यूज करके डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा। हाँ, 1800 आएगा। Okay. Then question number 23. MC1 equal to NC2. Then M factorial upon, तक ये तो आएगा MC1 equal to NC2. MC1 एक क्या आएगा, MC1 is actually M divided by 1 equal to NC2 is N into N minus 1 by 1 into 2. So 2M equal to N into N minus 1. 2M equal to N into N minus 1. Option C. 24. A fair die is rolled n times the number of all the possible outcomes. 6 raised to n. Answer will be 6 raised to n. Option B. Question number 25. Consider the binomial expansion of p plus qx raised to 9. Under what condition the coefficient of x square and x raised to 4 are equal? Okay. Nine C R p raised to 9 minus r qx raised to r. So if you want to get x square, I have to put 2. So 9C2 p raised to 9 minus 2 becomes 7. Q raised to 2 x raised to 2. Similarly, if you want to get 4, 9C4 p raised to 9 minus 4 is 5. P raised to 5, q raised to 5, q raised to 4, x raised to 4. If the coefficient equal, that means this should be equal. This should be equal with this one. That means 9C2 p raised to 7 q square equal to 9C4 into p raised to 5 q raised to 4. P raised to 5 means p square comes here. Q square means either q square comes. So 9C2 into p square equal to 9C4 into q square. So 9C2 is 9 into 8 by 2 into p square is equal to 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 divided by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. So 9, 8, 9, 8, 2, 2 get cancelled. So into q square. So p square, q square become 7, 6, 3, 4. 1 into 3, 2 into 3, 1 into 2, 2 into 2. So 7 by 2. So I can say that p square is to q square equal to 7 is to 2. Option C. Then question number 26. If the constant term in the expansion of is 405, then what can be the values of k? So here I can write 10c r root x raised to 10 minus r minus k by x square r. So root x 10 cr into minus k raised to r root x raised to 10 minus r into x raised to minus 2r. Independent of x only, the term, constant term. So क्या आएगा? This can be written as 10c. This if we want solve किया तो x raised to 2, x raised to 1 by 2 into 10 minus r into x raised to minus 2r. X raised to 10 by 2 become 5 minus r by 2 into x raised to minus 2r. So x raised to 5 minus r into 1 by 2 plus 2 क्या आएगा? 5 by 2. 5 by 2r. This is the power of x. This should be equal to 0. That 5r by 2 equal to 0 is 5r by 2 equal to 10c2 minus raised to equal to 40. So 10 into Hmm. 9. Okay. So 10 into 2 into 9. So k plus or minus 3. Option B. Question number 27. What is the coefficient of the middle term in the expansion of 1 plus 4x plus 4x square plus 5? Okay. So this can be written as 1 plus 4x plus 4x square raised to 5 can be written as 2x the whole square plus 2 into 2x plus 1 square the whole raised to 5. So this will become 2x plus 1 the whole square the whole raised to 5. So this can be written as 2x plus 1 raised to 10. So this 3 term can be simplified into 2 term because a square plus b square plus 2ab concept you have to use. Now you can get n equal to 10. So n equal to 10 means even number of power is even. So number of times will be 11. 11 times are there. So only one middle term will be there. So 0 to 1 to 11. The middle term is sixth term. Sixth term. So you can consider 10c 10c5. 10c5 2x raised to 10 minus 5 into 1 raised to 5. So 10c5 into 2 raised to 10 minus 5 is 5. So 2 raised to 5. 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 divided by 5. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 2 raised to 5. 2 raised to 5. Okay. So 2, 5, 10. 1, 4, 2, 4, 1, 3, 3, 3. So 3 into 2 into 7 into 6 into 2 raised to 5 is 32. 3 into 2, 6, 6 into 6, 36. 36 into 7 into 32. So if you solve for this one, 7 into 2, 14. 7 into 3, 21 plus 2, 22 into 36. 6 into 4, 24. 6 into 2, 12 plus 2, 14. 13. 4 plus 2, 6. 8064. Answer is option A. Question number 28. The value of yz raised to log y minus log z. Okay. So we can write y raised to log y by log z into z raised to log y by log z into z raised to log z by log x into x raised to log z by log x into x raised to log x divided by x raised to log y into y raised to log x divided by y raised to log y. This get cancelled. ए भी y आना चाहिए, कुछ नहीं लिखा है मैंने, इधर भी y आना z. ओके करेक्ट है, y raised to log y raised to log z. ओके y raised to log z, इधर क्या आना चाहिए, z. ओके मैंने मिस्टेक किया, इधर y है, इधर z है, इधर z है, इधर x है, इधर x है. y log z means x raised to log z. y raised to log y कट हो गया, x raised to log y नहीं है. वो ऐसा करो, 28 है ना, y raised to log y minus log z into y raised to log x minus log y into z raised to log y minus log z into z raised to log z minus log x into x raised to log z minus log x into x raised to log x minus log y. So log y cut, log z cut, log x cut. So y raised to log x minus log z, then z raised to log y minus log x into x raised to log z minus log y is equal to, okay, okay. So y raised to log x by y raised to log z into z raised to log y divided by z raised to log x into x raised to log z divided by x raised to log y. By using the property of the logarithm, this can be exchanged. So it can be written as x raised to log y. Then this also we can exchange. So क्या आएगा, y raised to log z आएगा. This also we can exchange. So क्या आएगा, z raised to log x आएगा divided by ऑलरेडी y raised to log z है, z raised to log x है, x raised to log y है. We are using the just property, कट करो कट करो कट करो कट करो, आंसर क्या आएगा, 1 आएगा, ऑप्शन ए. Question number 29. 64 raised to 2 by 3. 64 कितना है? 2 raised to 6 raised to 2 by 3. 6 by 3 2. 2 raised to 4 कितना आएगा? 16. Answer is option A. Here a determinant is given. Matrix is given. You have to calculate A cube. A equal to root 3 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, root 3 by 2. This is the matrix given. So if you calculate A square, it will become root 3 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, root 3 by 2. What is A square? Root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2 become 3 by 4 plus minus 1 by 4. Then root 3 by 4 plus root 3 by 4. Here it is minus root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4. Here it is minus 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. Minus 1 by 4, 3 by 4. This is A square. So क्या आएगा? 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4 is 2 by 4. 2 by 4 become 1 by 2. Root 3 by 4 plus root 3 by 4 is 2. Root 3 by 4 is root 3 by 2. This is also minus root 3 by 2. 3 minus 1 is 2 by 4. 2 by 4 become 1 by 2. This is A square. And if you want to get A cube, we have to multiply again with A. A can be written as root 3 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, root 3 by 2. So 1 by 2 into root 3 by 2 क्या आएगा? Root 3 by 4. This is minus root 3 by 4. This is, if you multiply 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4, this is 3 by 4. This is minus 1 by 4. Here it is minus root 3 by 4. Here it is plus root 3 by 4. So you are getting 0. This is 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is 1. This is also minus 1. This is again 0. So 0, 1, minus 1, 0. Answer is 0, 1, minus 1, 0. 0, 1, minus 1, 0. So option B. 31. X okay. Okay. This is 1 by 2 and 2 by 2. So should be by 2 matrix. So we can consider as a 0 matrix. Okay. So x minus 2x, then 0 and 0. Equal to 0 matrix means I can write x minus 2x is equal to 0. So x minus 2x is minus x is equal to 0 means x is equal to 0 is the answer. 31D. What? Any mistake is there? Sorry, इधर mistake किया. Here multiplication में problem किया. क्या आएगा? तो x minus 2 0 equal to 0 आएगा. So you can equate x to equal to 0. So x is equal to plus 2 आएगा. Answer is option B. Determinant. It is a upper triangular matrix. Upper triangular matrix का determinant क्या आएगा? Product of the diagonal elements. A1, A2, A3, A4. Answer is A1, A2, A3, A4. So option B is the correct answer. Question number 33. A, B, C. Then which is the correct statement? Which is the correct? A is 1 by 2, B is 1 by 2, C is 2, 1. So you cannot multiply AB. Okay, you can multiply AC. BC is also possible. CA, C 2 by 1 and 1 by CA possible. CB 2 by 1 and 1 by 2. That is also okay. So 33 option B is the AC is equal to A equal to minus B means okay. This cannot be A equal to minus B. If you multiply with the minus, only sign changes. The order of the elements will not change. So B cannot be the answer. A plus B and B plus A. A plus B you can add B plus A plus B equal to B plus A. That is also correct. A plus B is A minus B and B minus A. B plus A is also minus B plus A. So D is a correct option. A plus B, B plus A, because matrix addition is commutative. But AC is equal to BC. We will try AC. AB, A minus A. What is this answer? A square minus AB. What is BC? Minus B minus A is multiply with A minus A means it will become minus BA plus A square for a single element. This is all. Is this A square minus AB? Okay. This is A square minus AB. Option A is also correct. Option D is also correct. Because matrix addition is commutative only. So B is same as B plus A. A plus B is same as B plus A. Matrix addition is commutative. So here option A and option D are both are correct. Then question number 34. We have a matrix. We have to take the square 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. If you take the square means 1, 1, 0, 0. 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. This is A square. A square cannot be equal to I. ये नहीं आएगा. Because this is same as matrix A only. So option D is the correct one. Question number 35. A equal to 13 A inverse. Adj A is 1 inverse. 5 into 1, 55. Determinant A is 55 minus 3 into 14. 42 is 13. So adj A by determinant A is A inverse. Adj A by determinant A is A inverse. So determinant A is 13. So adj A can be 13 into A inverse. So adj A can be written as 13 into A inverse. So 35 option A is the correct answer. 36. If omega is the cube root of unity and x plus y plus z is equal to A, x plus omega y plus omega square z equal to B, x plus omega square y plus omega z is equal to c, then which of the following is not correct? Not correct पूछा है. If you add a plus b plus c, you will get x plus x plus x. X plus x plus x become 3x, y plus omega square y, that becomes 0. Z plus omega square, this also becomes 0. Divide, okay. So a plus c equal to 3x. So b divide by 3 किया तो क्या आएगा? X आएगा. So option A is the correct answer. X is equal to a plus b plus c 3. $36. Y correct. X plus y plus z, x plus y omega, okay, x plus. सबके साथ x है. So option A is correct option. Okay. Then question number 37. The adjoint of the matrix. If you want to calculate adjoint, simply replace the diagonal element, interchange. It will become 4 and 1. Non-diagonal element कुछ नहीं करना है, उसका sign change करना है. 4 minus 2 minus 3 1. 4 minus 2 minus 3 plus 1. So option B is the correct option. Question number 38. The number can be written in decimal system. 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1. If you add these two, 1 plus 1 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1 1 carry 1, 1 plus 1 0 carry 1, 1 plus 1 0 carry 1. It will become 1 1. So answer is 1 2 4 8 16 32 64 128. So here you can take 128 plus 64 plus 8. 8 plus 8, 16 plus 4, 20. 6 plus 2, 8 plus 2, 10. So answer is 200, option A. Binary addition. Question number 39. What is the binary number equivalent to 1011? 1011 means you can do like this. 1011 means first you divide by 2. 5 into 2, 0. 5 into 2, remainder 1. Again divide by 2. 25 into 2, 2 into 2, 4, remainder 1. Okay. 2, 12 into 2, 24, 6 into 2, 12, remainder 0. 2, 6 into 2, 3 into 2, remainder 0. 2, 3 into 2, 1 into 2, remainder 1. 2, 15 into 2, remainder 1. 2, 7 into 2, 14, remainder 1. 2, 3 into 2, 6, remainder 1. 2, 1 into 2, remainder 1. So ऐसा देखो. Last से first तक जाना है. So you can write 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1. कितना 1 है? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is option B is the correct answer. Question number 40. If cos alpha plus cos B plus cos gamma equal to 0, where 0, where alpha is less than or equal to pi by 2 and greater than 0, beta is also less than or equal to pi by 2. What is the value of sin alpha, sin beta plus sin gamma? Okay. If alpha equal to beta, it equal to gamma. Alpha equal to beta equal to gamma equal to pi by 2. 3 of the value. Because we know that if the alpha, beta, gamma is between 0 to pi by 2, greater than 0 means cos of alpha cannot be equal to 1. So it is always a positive value. So if you add 3 positive value, you will not be able to get 0. The only thing is 3 of them should be 0. Therefore, alpha equal to beta equal to gamma should be equal to pi by 2. So sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma equal to sin pi by 2 plus sin pi by 2 plus sin pi by 2 become 1 plus 1 plus 1. Answer will be option C. What is the maximum value of sin x cos x? You can divide with 2 and multiply with 2. 2 sin x cos x becomes sin 2x by 2. The maximum value of sin 2x is 1. So answer is 1 by 2. Suppose cos A is given. If only one value of cos A by 2 is possible, A must be. Cos A is given. That means 1 plus cos A is equal to 2 cos square A by 2. So it is a quadratic equation. So 1 plus cos theta, 2 cos square theta by 2. Okay, 2 cos square theta by 2. Okay, so okay, 1 plus cos A, 2 cos square A by 2. Okay, 1 plus cos A, 2 cos square A by 2. A must be multiple of 180. 0 आएगा. Multiple of 180 है तो A 180 means it will become 0. 0 equal to cos 90. That is also 0 आएगा. That is correct. Multiple of 180 with 360 है तो answer is 1 plus 1 2 आएगा. That cannot be possible. That cannot be possible. If you put odd multiple of 90 means plus 0 become cos A by 2 become cos 45, that become 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 get cancelled. Okay, that is possible. 2 into 1 by root 2 ka square is 1 by 2, 2 to 1 by 2 cut. But odd multiple of 90, 0, 1 plus 0, but cos square A by 2, cos square A by 2 हमेशा positive है. So we have to, okay. The value of cos by 2. If one value by 2 is possible means it cannot be plus 1 or it cannot be minus 1. Okay. Cos A by 2. Cos A by can be 1 by root 1 minus 1 by root 2. So this is also not possible. Odd multiple of 180 means if you put so if you consider multiple of 90, cos A by 2, you can get plus or minus 1 by 2. Only one value is possible means that is also not possible. So option B is wrong. So this also become wrong. First anyway not possible. But if you consider odd multiple of 180, that means 180, 1 pi, pi, 3 pi like that. So 1 plus cos pi equal to 2 cos square pi by 2. 1 minus 1 become 2 into 0. It be 0 equal to 0. But when you consider, so odd multiples possibilities, we are 1 minus 1. But when you get even multiple of pi by 2, pi, we will be able to get 1 plus 1. That is equal to 2 into 0. That is not practically possible. So only odd multiple of 180 will be the answer. Option C is the correct one. Question number 44. Let tan 3a by tan equal to k, where tan a is not equal to 0, k is equal to 1 by 3 for real values of tan a, k cannot lie between. For real values of tan a, k cannot lie between. What is tan 3a? Tan 3a is 3 tan a minus cube a divided by 1 minus 3 tan square a. This is divided by tan a is equal to k. So if you divide tan a from the numerator, so 3 minus tan square a divided by 1 minus 3 tan square a equal to a. If you cross multiply this one, we can write 3 minus tan square a equal to k minus 3k tan square a. That means 3k tan square a, 3 tan square a minus tan square a plus 3 minus k equal to 0. So if you tan square a into 3k minus 1 plus 3 minus k equal to 0. Okay. 3 minus tan square. Okay. So for real values means tan a can be minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac means it is 0 plus or minus b square is 0 minus 4 into 3 minus k into 3 minus k. For real values means b minus 4ac is greater than 0. Dalo. For real values, b square minus 4ac should be greater than or equal to 0. That means b square is 0 minus 4 into a is 3k minus 1. C is 3 minus k ka value should be greater than or equal to 0. That means 3k minus 1 into 3 minus k should be less than or equal to 0. So here critical points kya aega? 3 is a critical, or we can write like this. Okay, b square minus 4ac. Standard form में लिखो. Standard form. b square minus 4ac. b square minus 3k minus 1, 3 minus k. So we can write minus 3k minus 1 into 3 minus k greater than or equal to 0 means 3k minus 1 into k minus 3 become less than or equal to 0. So here k equal to 1 by 3 is a point, k equal to 3 is a point. So this will be the wavy curve method. This will plus minus plus less than 0 means the value of k should be between 1 by 3 and plus 3. 1 by 3 and 3. So option A is the correct option. 44, answer A. Then question number 45. What is the value of tan 3 pi by 8? 3 pi by 8 means tan कितना है 67.5. Tan 67.5 is same as cot 22.5. What is the value of cot 22.5? Cot pi by 4. Cot pi by 4. Cot pi by 4 is root 2 plus 1. So answer is option D. Cot pi by 4. Not cot pi by 4, cot pi by 8. Root 2 plus 1 is the answer. Option. Question number 46. Alpha plus beta equal to pi by 4 to tan alpha equal to 1. Then what is the value? Alpha beta tan 1 minus tan alpha. So pi is 1 by 2 plus tan beta divided by 1 minus 2. Will become 1 minus tan 1 by 2 plus tan beta. 1 minus 1 by 2 become by 2. 1 plus 1 by 2 becomes 3 by 2 into tan beta equal to 1 by 3. Option A is okay. Question is not tan beta, tan 2 beta. So tan beta equal to 1 by 3. So if you want to calculate tan 2 beta, you can write 2 tan beta divided by 1 minus tan square beta. So 2 into 1 by 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by 3 ka square. So 2 by 3 divided by 8 by 9. 2 by 3 into 9 by 8. So 3 get cancel. 1 into 2, 4 into 2. Answer क्या आएगा? 3 by 4. So option D is the correct answer. Question number 46, option D. Question number 47. A equal to cos inverse x plus B equal to cos inverse y plus C equal to cos A plus B equal to 2 pi by 3. Then sin inverse x plus y is equal to. 7. Two finite sets have m and n elements. Okay. ये कौन सा है? 12. इसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम है? 2 raised to m equal to 2 raised to n plus 48 इतना है. इसमें से पुट करके दे. So a plus b equal to 2 pi means cos inverse x plus cos inverse y equal to 2 pi by 3. Cos inverse x plus cos inverse y to 2 pi by 3. We know one formula, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Sin inverse y plus cos inverse y is also pi by 2. If you add these two, you will be able to get sin inverse x plus sin inverse y plus cos inverse x plus cos inverse y equal to pi. Cos inverse x plus cos inverse y is equal to 2 pi by 3. So this will become sin inverse x plus sin inverse y become pi minus 2 pi by 3. So 3 pi minus 2 pi is pi by 3. Answer is option B. Option B. Question number 48. The value of cos inverse 1 minus sin inverse 1. So cos inverse minus means we have to apply the property of the inverse trigonometry. Inverse minus x का फॉर्मूला क्या आएगा? पाई माइनस कोस इनवर्स x. Sin inverse 1 is sin inverse 1 only. So if you subtract cos inverse minus 1 minus sin inverse 1, you can write pi minus cos inverse plus 1 minus sin inverse 1. We know that sin inverse 1 plus cos inverse 1 is equal to pi by 2. So pi minus pi by 2 become pi by 2. The answer is option A. Question number 49. The principal value of sin inverse minus 1 by 2. The principal value will be always minus pi to plus pi. And if you want to get sin inverse, we have fourth quadrant. So sin 30 is 1 means it will become minus pi. 49, question number 49, answer is minus pi by 6. Question number 50. F of x is equal to under root of cos x. Then domain of f. Domain of f means c. Cannot be negative in under root. For root function cannot be negative. So we know that the graph of the cos is like this. So either 0 to pi by 2 or 3 pi by 2 2 pi. So 0 to pi by 2 positive milega, 3 pi by 2 2 pi bhi milega. So option A is the correct answer. Number 51. the height of a flag where a 20 feet long ladder reaches 20 feet below the flag? What should be the height of the flag where a 20 feet reaches 20 feet below the flag? A 20 feet below the flag. 20 feet below the angle of elevation of the flag at the foot of the degree. Equal to कितना है 60 degree. Okay. Okay, A भी 20 है, O भी 20 है. Below the flag. That means we can consider like this. Okay, 20, 20. This is an isosceles triangle. This is 60 आएगा. So ये भी 60 आएगा. ये 60 है? नहीं 60 नहीं है. क्या है? 20, 20. What should be the height of the flag where 20 feet long ladder reaches 20 feet below the flag? The angle of elevation of the top of the flag at the foot of the ladder is 60 degree. Okay. ये है 60 degree. We will again draw. Next 20 है. तो थीटा बिकम 30 डिग्री. आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगल है. सो इधर थीटा है तो इधर भी थीटा आएगा. ये थीटा है तो ये 180 minus 2 थीटा आएगा. ये 180 minus 2 थीटा है तो ये 2 थीटा आएगा. दिस इज ऑलरेडी 60 minus थीटा. सो 60 minus थीटा है दोनों मिला के 90 आएगा. सो 60 plus थीटा इक्वल टू 90. थीटा इक्वल टू 30 डिग्री आएगा. Then we can write we want this one. So if this is height means sin 30, 60 minus this become 30 degree. So sin 30 is equal to h by 20. So h become 20 into sin 30 is 1 by 2. It will become 10. So we are getting this equal to 10. So total height become 20 plus 10. 30 will be the answer. 30 feet. Question number 52. From an aeroplane above a straight road, the angles of depression of two positions of a distance of 20 meters apart on the road are observed to be 30 degree and 4 degree. The height of the aeroplane above the ground. Aeroplane. ये 30 degree. ये 45 degree. ये 20 meter. ये 20 meter है तो क्या है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल ये x है तो ये भी x आएगा. सो हमको पता है हमको क्या क्या चाहिए. Height of the aeroplane. That means I can write tan 30 equal to x by x plus 20. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 is equal to x by x plus 20. So root 3x is equal to x plus 20. So root 3 into x minus, sorry, x into root 3 minus 1 equal to 20. So x क्या आएगा 20 divided by root 3 minus 1. So I can write 2 into root 3 minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1. 2. So answer is 10 into root 3 minus 1. So option D is the correct one. Question number 53. If angle C of a triangle ABC is a right angle, then what is tan A plus tan B equal to? Tan A plus tan B. Tan A plus tan B. I know that A plus B equal to 90 degree. So tan A plus B क्या आएगा? Tan A plus tan B equal to. So what is, okay, A and B given. So I have to take to A, this equal to B, this equal to C. So tan A plus B plus tan B. Okay. In that format, if you take A by B, tan B is B by A. So it will become A square plus B square by AB. What is A square plus B square? C square. So become C square by AB. Answer is option C. Then question number 54. The area of the triangle ABC in which A equal to 1, B equal to 2, root C equal to 60 degree. Area of the triangle is half into AB into sin C. Half into AB sin C. So half into 1 into 2 into sin C sin 3 by 2. 2 to get answer is root 3 by C. Question number 55. In triangle ABC, A plus C is equal to B. Then what is the value of cot A by 2, cot C by 2 equal to? Cot A by 2, cot C by 2. Properties of, okay. A plus C equal to 2B. Then what is the value of? Okay, that be A plus C is equal to 2B means A, B, C are in AP. Cot A by 2, cot C by 2. Cot A by 2, cot C by 2. Cot A by 2 is yes, is A plus B plus C. A plus C is already 2B. So 2B plus B by 2. That means 3B by 2. Cot A by 2, we know the formula. Cot A by 2 is under root of S into S minus A divided by S minus B into S minus C. And cot C by 2 is under root of S into S minus C divided by S minus B into BC. BC. C means S minus A. Okay. This is cot A by 2 into cot C by 2. So here you can write S minus A, S minus B, S minus C cancel. Root of S into root of S A. Root of S minus B into root of S minus B is B. S is equal to 3b by 2 divided by 3b by 2 minus b. 3 by 2 divided by 3b by 2 minus b become 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So 1 by 2b. So b cut, 2 cut, answer is 3. 3 by 2, answer is option B. Question number 56. In a triangle ABC, A cos A plus B cos C plus C cos C is equal to. That is actually shortcut. 4R. Okay. In that properties of the triangle A cos A plus B cos B plus C cos C. Four are sin A, sin B, sin C. Option A is the correct one. 4 into capital R is circumradius into sin A, sin B, sin C. Because we know the sine rule. Sine rule is A by sin A equal to B by sin B equal to C by sin C equal to 2R. This is sine rule. So A cos A plus B cos B plus C cos C become, instead of A you can put 2R sin A, 2R sin A cos A, 2R sin B cos B plus 2R sin C cos C. 2R is common and R is common. It will become 2 sin A cos A plus 2 sin A cos A is actually sin 2A. You can write R into sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C. Sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C, that is also another shortcut. इसका value है 4 into sin A, sin B, sin C. So answer is 4R sin A, sin B, sin C. It is better to remember in a triangle ABC sin 2A plus sin 2B plus sin 2C is always is equal to 4 into sin A, sin B, sin C. So it is a shortcut. So option A correct answer. Question number 57. If the foot of the perpendicular drawn from the point 0, K to the line is 3, 1, then what is the value of K? Foot perpendicular means both are perpendicular lines. So 3x minus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. The slope is actually minus a by b, minus 3 by minus 4 is 3 by 4. So this is M1. M2 will be pakka minus 4 by 3. Minus 4 by 3. So what is the slope of that line? 1 minus k divided by 3 minus 0 equal to minus 4 by 3. So 3 minus 3k become 4 into 3, 12. So 12 in plus 3, 15 equal to 3k, k equal to 15 by 3, 5. Answer is 5. Question number 58. If the points with the coordinates are collinear, what is the value of PQ? If the points are collinear, the determinant is 0. So you can write minus 5 P square, 5 Q square, then 0, 10 P 10q 1 1 1. This determinant should be equal to 0. If this determinant is 0, you can take 5 common from first case. So 5 you take, 10 also you can take. So it will become minus 1 p square q square 0 p q 1 1 1. So you can take the determinant of this one, minus 1 into p minus q 1 into p square q minus p q square equal to 0. So it will become minus of p plus pq. If you take out, it will become p minus q. So if you take p minus q common, p minus q into minus 1 plus pq equal to 0. So p equal to q or pq equal to plus 1. So p not equal to q means this cannot be taken. Only possibility is pq equal to 1. Option answer is D. D option is the correct answer. Yeah. PQ. P, you take 5. Correct. 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 Minus 1. P minus Q plus 1. P square Q minus Q square P. Okay. P minus Q 1. Okay. PQ equal to 1. Correct. Okay. Minus 5, 5 p x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3, 1, 1, 1. 5p square, 5q square, 0, 10b, 10q, 1, 1, 1. Question number 59. The area of a triangle whose vertices are 3, 4, 5, 2 and the point of intersection of the lines x is equal to a and y equal to b is 3 square units. What is the value of a? So half into 3, 5, a, 4, 2, 5, 1, 1, 1 is equal to plus or minus 3. So 3 into 2 minus 5 minus 4 into 5 minus a plus 1 into 25 minus 2a equal to plus or minus 6. So 2 minus 5 minus 3. So minus 9. 5 minus a. 5 minus a. So minus 20 plus 4a plus 25 minus 2a equal to plus or minus 6. So 4a minus 2a become 2a. 29. So minus 4 equal to plus or minus 6. So 2a minus 4 equal to 6. 2a equal to a minus 4 equal to minus 6. 2a equal to 6 plus 4 10. A equal to 10 by 2 5. 2a equal to minus 2. A equal to minus 1. Okay. A equal to 5. That is the answer. Question number 60. A straight line passes through the point 5 comma 0 and 0 comma 3. The length of the perpendicular from point to the line. So first of all, you have to calculate the equation line. This is the 2.4 of the line. Y by x minus 5 equal to 3 by minus 5. 15. 3x plus 5y minus 15 equal to 0. So distance of the point क्या आएगा? 3 into 4, 12 plus 5 into 4, 20 minus 15 divided by 3 square plus 5 square. 12, 20 plus 12, 32. 32 minus 15 become 17 divided by 32, 17. So this can be written as 17 divided by root 2 into 17. Cut. It will become root 17 by root 2. Answer is option C. Question number 61. The point of intersection of diagonals of a square ABCD at the origin is at the origin, and it's one of its vertices is 4 comma 2. What is the equation of the diagonal? That means y minus 0 by x minus 0 is equal to 2 minus 0 divided by 4 minus 0. So 4y equal to 2x. So 2y equal to x. So x minus 2y equal to 0. Option D. 62. The equation of the circle which touches x-axis at 3 comma 0 and passes through 1 comma 4. So 62, the equation of the circle which touches x-axis at 3 comma 0 and passes through 1 comma 4. This point we don't know. 3 comma 0. Okay, passes through 1 comma. We can consider like this. Okay, 3 comma 4. Consider 3 and if you subtract this one, it will become okay. 4 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2. 60 minus 4g. C minus is 0 plus 9. Okay. Minus 8f plus 9 minus 17 equal to 0. 4g minus 8f what, plus 8. So g minus 2f equal to 8. x plus y square minus 6x plus 5y minus 9 equal to 0. Plus 9 equal to 0. So x square plus y square minus 6x. Okay, this is minus 6x minus 5y. Hmm? CT का सब मिक्स है सबसे नीचे लिख रखो square plus y square minus 6x minus 5y and option D is the correct answer. Okay. Okay, I'm going to stop this.